Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today our group want to present about subject MAT183. This is our video presentation. We all need to solve differentiate the solving mathematical problem. So the first question is meaning of differentiation. Differentiation is the process of finding the rate of change of one variable with respect to another. In mathematics, it measures how a function changes as its input change. Geometrically, it represents the gradient, or we call slope, of a tangent line to a curve of given point. So technique, I will list some techniques in differentiation. So first we have a power rule, product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule. That's all for question 1. We go for the next question. Thank you.
Okay, so this is my part, which is question 2a. So I will explain my calculation, which is I am asked to find dy over dx for the function. Okay, the question is y equals to e power of x plus 1 cos 3x plus 4. This function is a product of two functions, so I will use the product rule. The formula is dy over dx equals to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So we start with let u equals to e power of x plus 1 and v equals to cos 3x plus 4. Okay, first, I differentiate u. Okay, so du over dx equals to e power of x plus 1. Okay, next I differentiate the v using the chain rule. The derivative of cos 3x plus 4 is we use dv over dx equals to negative sign 3x plus 4 times 3 equals to negative 3 sine 3x plus 4. Now I substitute all values into the product rule formula. Dy over dx equals to, in bracket, e power of x plus 1, in bracket, negative 3 sine 3x plus 4, in bracket, plus cos 3x plus 4, in bracket, e power of x plus 1. So the finally I factor out the e power x plus 1, so it will become dy over dx is equal to e power of x plus 1 in bracket cos 3x plus 4 minus negative 3 sine in bracket 3x plus 4. So for my answer, I will check it on Math Solver. So here is my final answer that I've checked in AI. So for my next question, which is y is equal to 3x power of 2 minus 1 over sine x. Okay, so this is a quotient of two function. So we need to use a quotient rule. Okay, the quotient rule formula is dy over dx v du over dx minus u dv over dx divided by v power of 2. So first I let u is equal to 3x over 2, 3x power of 2 minus 1, and the v is equal to sine x. Okay, first I differentiate u, which is du over dx is equal to 6x. Next I differentiate v, okay, which is dv over dx is equal to cos x. Okay, so now I will substitute everything into the quotient rule, which is it will become dy over dx is equal to sine x multiplied by 6x minus 3x the power of 2 minus 1 multiplied by cos x divided by sine x in bracket power of 2. Okay, so that will be the final answer. So I will show you the calculation that I get from AI, which is over here. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum. So right now I want to discuss my answer for question 3. So the question is, given cos 2x plus epsilon y equal to 3y minus 2, and I have to find dy over dx using implicit differentiation. First of all, I'm going to differentiate all of the left hand sides and right hand side. So we have to write like this: d over dx cos 2x plus dx epsilon y equal to d over dx 3y minus 2. So let us do the left hand side first, which is d over dx cos 2x. By using derivatives of trigo functions, is going to be negative sin 2x multiplied by 2. So the last is going to be negative 2 sin multiplied by 2x. The next one is d over dx epsilon y. So for this, I'm going to use the product rule, which is the y prime. And first of all, we're going to get the u, which is x, y the u prime, we're going to get 1. So for the v, we're going to get ln y and v prime, we're going to get 1 over y. By using the formula, it's going to be 1 multiply ln y plus x multiply 1 over y, and multiply at the back with dy over dx. So the last one is going to be ln y plus x over y dy dx. And on the right hand side, we're going to differentiate it. So d over dx 3y minus 2, and the 2 is going to be 0 and y will be 1, so 3 minus 0, and we multiply it by dy and by dy over dx. So the final is 3 dy over dx. And after we finish differentiate all of it, we're going to write them together in one line. So it's going to be negative 2 sin 2x plus ln y plus x over y dy over dx equal to 3 dy over dx. And after that, I'm going to take all the dy dx and move it to the left hand side. So the next step is going to be x over y dy over dx minus 3 dy over dx, while the right hand side is going to be 2 sin, because we move from negative and we move it to the right, is going to be positive. So 2 sin 2x, and the plus is going to be minus, so minus ln y. And 2 of xy minus 3, we can put them together in one bracket, and the outside is going to be dy over dx equal to the right hand side 2 sin 2x minus ln y, stay the same. So the final answer is going to be dy over dx equal to 2 sin 2x minus ln y per x over y minus 3, because we move the x over y minus 3 to the right hand side, so it's going to divide them together, so they going to be below 2 sin 2x minus ln y. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Now I would like to explain the question of number 4. So for question number 4, I'm required to estimate the value of square root of 6, 64.01 minus 2 over square root of 3, 64.01. Using linear approximation, correct to 3 decimal place. First, I define a function based on the given expression, which is x power 1 over 6 minus 2 over x power 1 over 3. This allow me to apply the linear approximation formula. Next, I differentiate the function. 1 over 6x power negative 5 over 6 plus 2 over 3x power negative 4 over 3. After that, I choose 64. I choose a value that easy to calculate, so I choose 64. Then I apply the formula x minus x naught, which is 64.01 minus 64. Then the answer is 0.01. And for the step 4, first I take the expression for step 1. Then I substitute 64 into that. So square root of 6, 64 minus 2 over 3, 2 over square root of 3, 64. So the answer I get 1 over 5 or 3 over 2. So the next step is I take the equation for step 2. Then I substitute 64 into that. So 1 over 6 times 64 power negative 5 over 6 plus 2 over 3 times 64 power minus 4 over 3. And the answer I get 1 over 128. And the last step, I apply a formula, which is fx naught plus f prime x naught and times step the answer for the steps 3. So I get 1 over 1.5 plus 1 over 128 times 0.01, and the answer is 1.500. And the last, I recheck my answer. Square root of 6, 64.01 minus 2 over square root of 3, 64.01, and the answer is 1.500. The answer is same, so I think my answer is correct. Thank you.